Welcome to the zoological world. Today we will discuss about African forest elephant. The African forest elephant is one of two elephant subspecies on the African continent. Until recently, scientists thought they were the same species. But further study revealed enough variation to warrant subspecies status. African forest elephants are slightly smaller than African bush elephants, but they're still one of the largest animals on land today. Although the two species are very similar, the African forest elephant has rounder ears, straighter tusks, and more toenails than the African bush elephant. African forest elephant anatomy and appearance. The African forest elephant is the one of the largest known land mammals on Earth, with male African forest elephants reaching nearly 3 meters in height and the female African forest elephants around 2.5 meters. The tusks of an African forest elephant can grow to nearly 1.5 meters long and generally weigh between 50 and 100 pounds, which is about the same as a small adult human. They are thinner, straighter and shorter than the tusks of the African bush elephant. African forest elephants have 4 molar teeth, each weighing about 5.0 kilograms and measuring about 12 inches long. They have large rounded ears which are used both for hearing and to keep them cool. African forest elephant distribution and habitat. The African forest elephant mainly lives in Central and Southern Africa in nomadic herds that wander through the forests and grasslands of Africa, grazing for food and searching for waterholes. They are most commonly found in the tropical dense jungles, where their smaller size allows them to move through the thick vegetation more easily than the larger African bush elephant. African forest elephants are threatened throughout much of their natural habitat today, mainly due to deforestation and climate change, and have been pushed into smaller and smaller pockets of their native lands. African forest elephant behavior and lifestyle. The African forest elephant mainly uses its immense tusks for digging for roots in the ground and to strip the bark off trees. The African forest elephant also uses its tusks to defend itself from predators such as lions, and to fight with other male African forest elephants during the mating season. Males are generally fairly solitary, but females and their young form small family groups known as herds. This allows the more vulnerable offspring to be more easily protected. African forest elephants communicate through a series of low-frequency calls which they are able to detect from a few kilometers away. African forest elephant. Interesting facts and features. The tusks of the African forest elephant are pretty straight instead of curved to help them move through the thick jungle with greater ease. This, along with their pinkish tinge, has made the ivory of the African forest elephant's tusks in high demand on the black market. Despite African forest elephants being able to communicate with one another through a couple of miles of dense jungle, the sound they make is so low that it cannot be heard by humans. They are an essential tool in the spreading of seeds throughout Africa's forests and are therefore vital to the running of their native ecosystems. African forest elephant relationship with humans. Sadly, due to an increase of outside interest in Africa and its exotic wonders, the African forest elephant population took a devastating decline towards extinction. In 1989, a worldwide elephant ivory hunting ban fell into place, meaning that the African forest elephant population has fortunately begun to recover. In 1980, there were an estimated 380,000 African forest elephants, but due to growing human populations in their native countries, numbers have fallen to 200,000. Deforestation of their habitats and the illegal poaching of the African forest elephant for their ivory are also to blame for their recent demise.